we got a lot of dust in the street, in the roads, a lot of dust, a lot of roadwork like in building of toll road in Salam and also in Bintang. During the construction of toll road, a lot of dust flying over to protect our mouth, our respiratory organs, our respiration. You need to wear a mask, whatever kind of mask you can wear. It depends on your condition, on your comfort. As long as you feel comfortable wearing the mask, as long as the dust not disturb your respiration, it's important to wear a mask. And then, well, nowadays kids get respiratory problems because nowadays a lot of pollution in the air. Air pollution is so bad nowadays in Indonesia and also around the world because of greenhouse gas and also carbon dioxide from factories and many other causes of air pollution. So the main thing is, even though there is no coronavirus, wearing a mask is important. It's good for you to protect your nose, your lung. I think that's all for me. Thank you so much.
Right, any question?
No, I'm sorry, I don't speak English.
Alright, I got a question for you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. As I know nowadays, every foreign world right nowadays, that this is very important wearing a mask, right?
Yeah.
So, after we hear about in medical or doctor, after 4 hours, is that the mask good or not?
After 4 hours?
Yeah, wearing a mask.
I'm not sure about the news.
Yeah.
After 4 hours of wearing a mask continuously, right?
Yeah.
Continuously. Maybe we need to open or take off the mask
Yeah.
for a while to wash it,
Yeah.
or to have a direct respiration,
Yeah.
or inhalation of good air, and then continuous use of the mask also bad for your nose, for your respiration. At least you can wash your facial mask every day or twice a day, or once every 2 days. You can wash your face mask to have every time you wear the mask. It's clean, it's new, so that it will not clog your respiration.
So is that dangerous for people that doesn't take off the mask, wearing that every single day without washing that?
I think it's real bad. It can be a bad problem in the future if they use it on and on without washing it, without taking it out. It's important to sometimes change with a new mask, to have a new clean mask, so that you will have fresh air without because continuous use of the mask will have dust, collection of dust around the mask.
Right, as we know, entire world nowadays, every country world right nowadays, every governor, they are declaring our civilization must be wearing a mask, right? So do you believe is that people obey about that declaration or not, or disobey?
I think
wearing a mask.
The order to wear a mask around the world is by WHO or every country leaders. Not really, not obligation for every citizen to obey the rules, because it depends on the convenience of the citizens whether they want to use a mask or not. Like in Sweden or some other countries where the countries have good air, the air condition is very good, so they don't have to wear masks. Like in Sweden people don't really believe about coronavirus, So they rarely, most of the people in Sweden don't wear facial mask or face shield. Just maybe some other countries because of they are very phobia. They have great phobia about the virus. I think it depends on the person who wants to wear a mask because of their phobia or their over scary of the virus.
All right. So the last question for you. So what do you think about our government doing our like arrest every people civilization if they doesn't wearing a mask? Everything about that, like punishment 200,000, 300,000. So anything about
I
that?
think it's ridiculous, right?
Ridiculous.
To arrest someone who don't wear mask. It's not really an obligation
Yeah.
for every citizen in Aceh or in Indonesia, as long as they don't feel it convenient to wear a mask. So the government should not give punishment or
Punishment.
arrest
Just
arrest
give
them.
educate, right? Well, education, right? Yeah. So how do we to wearing a mask? And we don't have to ask their money, right? Yeah, 300 or 100,000,
I
right?
think it's only the obligation from WHO or the government, central government, to make that our citizens obey the rules, and the mayor look very good, right?
Yeah. Our mayor,
Yeah.
very totally good.
To make mayor look good, they have to implement the regulation.
That's all I mean. All right, thank you so much, Mr. Fahmi. Crystal clear, right?
Crystal clear.
Yeah, crystal clear. Very tall, crystal clear.